So listings are king, right? That's what you've always been told. Well, to leverage listings and get more buyers, you're gonna need to get listings. So I'm gonna tell you guys some simple things that you can do to get more listings. My name is Jeremy Smith. I'm an Icon agent with eXp. I specialize in listing homes, and I'm gonna help you guys do the same thing.
Because why? Because I won't sell anything I don't believe in. And when I believe, you believe.
What we're gonna talk about in this video is gonna pick up from after you've already set the appointment. We are gonna release more videos on how to set the appointments and how to get the information to call people to set the appointments. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified when we release more videos. But for now, let's talk about what happens after you set the appointment. So the worst thing that we can do in any relationship is start that relationship off with an apology. So you definitely don't want to do that. The first thing you need to do is show up early to your appointment. If your appointment is at 5 p.m., you should be arriving at 4:45. That doesn't mean you knock on the door at 4:45 if you don't think that's appropriate, but definitely do not knock on that door right at 5 or any time after that, because that shows that you have a lack of punctuality. Once you get in the door, you need to be prepared. You need to have all the data that this seller is gonna wanna hear. Now, there's a way for you to figure out what type of data they wanna hear. We do have a communication course that teaches you how to recognize exactly what a homeowner is interested in, whether it's data or the human connection. That's another subject. DM me if you want more information on that. But yes, bring data. Bring your stats, bring your brokerage stats, bring comparables for that home from the area. Bring as much data that you can to illustrate exactly your knowledge of that particular area and why you are the expert in that neighborhood. You need to bring your listing presentation. If you don't have one and you're winging it, you're not gonna win when you're competing with other agents that do. So make sure that you dial out a listing presentation. If you need any help with that, message me and I can help you get a very good listing presentation dialed in. Bring your contract forms. If they're ready to go and you know how to make an assumptive close, you're gonna get a listing right then and there. So bring all the documentation you would absolutely need to take that listing immediately. Don't wait if you don't have to. Ink the deal now. One thing that us agents really all have in common, and we're really bad about this, is being interesting. Do not be interesting when you're on a listing appointment. You need to be interested. When you're walking that home with that seller, listen to them, ask questions about them, get to know them, make it all about them. It's okay to interject here and there and make some connections with your families or whatever similarities you have. Don't go into too much detail talking about you. This is not about you. It's about them and what you're gonna do to serve them. So make sure that this communication is all about them. Make sure you learn how to handle objections. There are a lot of common objections out there that we know are gonna happen, but there's some unique ones as well. The more comfortable you get handling the common objections, the more comfortable you'll be and the quicker on your feet you'll be on handling the less common ones as well. And lastly, guys, before you leave, you're gonna need to seal the deal so you walk away with the listing. Do not be afraid to ask for the order. Don't be afraid to be assertive in your quest for getting that listing. If you know deep down in your heart that you are the best choice for this homeowner, then it is your responsibility to make sure that you do not leave there without getting that listing.
It's no big secret. You just follow the ABCs of salesmanship. Always be closing.
It doesn't mean that that will always happen for you, but you definitely need to try. All right, guys, that's a wrap. There's a ton more that goes into it, but those are just some key pointers that if you master those, you're gonna be fine in every single listing appointment you go to. If you like this video, guys, and you wanna see more, hit subscribe, click the bell so that you're getting notifications when we do drop more videos. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can email them to me at jeremy@smichteamdfw.com, and I'll be glad to help you in any way that I possibly can. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and go get some more listings.